So here we're going to look at this question. And the question is, what is the electronic configuration of copper? What is the electronic configuration of copper? Given that the atomic mass of copper is 65 and the atomic number of copper is 29. So this is a representation of copper, its atomic mass and its atomic number. So this is copper, Cu. This is the symbol. 65 is the atomic mass, 29 is the atomic number. So when we are writing electronic configuration, we use the atomic number. So in a neutral atom, the atomic number is equal to the number of proton and it is equal to the number of electron. So copper here has what? 29 electrons, right? Copper has 29 electrons. So these are the 29 electrons that we will be configuring. So how do we write the electronic configuration? We write the electronic configuration using the Hofbauer principle. And the principle states that electrons fill orbitals in order of increasing energy level. So the order of increasing energy level goes like this. We have the 1s orbital first, then we have the 2s orbital, we have the 3s, we have the 4s, we have the 5s, we have the 6 what x, we have the 7x. So after the x orbital, we move to the p orbital, and the p orbital starts from the second energy level. So we have 2p, we have 3p, we have 4p, we have 5p, we have 6p, and we have 7p. So after the p orbital, we move to the next orbital, which is the d orbital, and it starts from the third energy level. So we have 3d, we have 4d, we have 5d, we have 6d, we have 7d, right? After the d orbital is the f orbital, and it starts from the fourth energy level. So we have 4f, we have 5f, we have 6f, and we have 7f, right? So the order of increasing energy level goes like this. We'll fill the 1s orbital first before going to the 2s orbital. Then after filling the 2s orbital, we'll move down to what? The 2p orbital down to the 3s orbital. After filling this orbital, we move to the 3p orbital and the 4s orbital. After filling this orbital, we move to the 3d orbital, the 4p orbital, and the 5s orbital, right? Then after filling this, we move to the 4d, 5p, and 6s orbital. After filling this orbital, we move to the 4f orbital, 5d orbital, 6p orbital, and the 7s orbital. So the order of increasing energy level goes in that fashion, right? So you must always remember that the s orbital will take a maximum of 2 electrons, the p orbital will take a maximum of 6 electrons, the d orbital will take a maximum of 10 electrons, and the f orbital will take a maximum of 14 electrons. So putting this into consideration, the electronic configuration of copper, which is having 29 electrons, will be 1s2. So we'll start with the first energy level first, which is the 1s orbital, and the s orbital will take a maximum of 2 electrons. Then after filling this, we'll move to the 2s orbital, so that will be 2s2. After filling the 2s orbital, we'll move to the 2p orbital, and p orbital will take a maximum of 6 electrons, so that will be 2p6. After the p orbital, we'll move to the 3s orbital, so that will be 3s2. After filling this, we'll move to the 3p orbital, then to the 4s orbital. So we have 3p6 because p orbital will take a maximum of 6 electrons. Then after this 3p, we'll move to 4s, right? So 4s2. After filling the 4s orbital, we move to the what? 3d orbital. So that will be 3d10, right? So let's calculate if it is up to 29 electrons here. So 2 plus 2 will give me 4. 4 plus 6 will give me 10. 10 plus 2 will give me 12. 12 plus 6 will give me 18. 18 plus 2 will give me 20. 20 plus 10 will give me 30. So, and I have 29 electrons to configure. So the Sx is 1, that is here, right? So I will clean this 3d10 off. So the number of electrons that I have here, 2 plus 2. So the number of electrons that I have here, 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 6 is 10, 10 plus 2 is 12, 12 plus 6 is 18, 18 plus 2 is 20. So the number of electrons that I have remaining is 9, because I have here 20 already. And the d orbital will take a maximum of what? 10 electrons. So that means that my 9 can enter here, right? And I have just 9 remaining, so I will just put the 9 there, right? 3d9. So this is the electronic configuration of what? Copper, right? So if you calculate the number of electrons that we have here, they are what? 29. So it's very important that you know this off-Bohr principle and this chart. So the principle states that electrons fill orbitals in order of increasing energy level. And this is the order of what? Increasing energy level. 1s to 2s, from 2s to 2p to 3s, from 3s to 3p to 4s, from 4s to 3d, 4p, 5s, then from there to 4d, 5p, 6s, depending on the number of electrons that you have, right? So electronic configuration is really quite simple and straightforward, as long as you can remember off-Bohr principle and this chart from off-Bohr principle.